Have you ever wished you could make smarter investment choices without spending hours studying charts or stressing over news? In 2025, that wish is becoming reality. Artificial intelligence is quietly changing how money grows, and it's doing it faster than most people realize. If you understand how to use it now, you could gain a serious advantage in building wealth and protecting your future. The purpose of this video is simple: to show you how AI is transforming investing and how you can use it to grow your portfolio intelligently, efficiently, and confidently. Picture this. It's early morning, soft light coming through the blinds. You check your phone and see your investment app glowing with updated numbers. While you slept, an AI system analyzed global market data, company earnings, breaking news, inflation reports, and even social sentiment, and automatically adjusted your portfolio. It trimmed a risky position, added a promising stock, and rebalanced your risk exposure. You didn't stay up all night researching. The system did it for you. That's the power of AI-driven investing. It never sleeps, never panics, and never forgets to protect your interests. Artificial intelligence in investing means using machine learning to study enormous amounts of data and make real-time decisions based on logic, not emotion. Traditional investors rely on experience and gut feeling. AI relies on data and pattern recognition. When most people hesitate or react emotionally to market swings, AI reads signals hidden in the numbers and moves ahead with precision. That's why AI portfolios often perform better over time. They remove the human error that causes so many losses. Imagine a sleek trading floor filled with large monitors showing live charts, global maps, and streams of data flowing across screens. Analysts watch quietly while algorithms work in the background. The atmosphere is calm, not chaotic. The machines calculate probabilities, analyze correlations, and act faster than a human could even blink. It's not about replacing people, it's about making them more efficient. AI provides the insight, and humans provide direction. This partnership defines the new era of investing. Today, AI investing tools are everywhere. Wealthfront, Betterment, and similar platforms use algorithms to automatically manage your money based on your goals and risk comfort. Large firms like BlackRock run Aladdin system that oversees trillions in assets worldwide. Banks such as JP Morgan rely on AI to detect unusual trading patterns, while Bloomberg's AI engine reads thousands of articles daily to anticipate market shifts. These systems aren't just for professionals anymore. They're available to anyone who wants to invest smarter with the help of technology. The greatest advantage AI offers is personalization. Everyone's financial life is unique. Maybe you're saving for retirement, building a business, or creating security for your family. AI tailors your portfolio to fit you exactly. It studies your income, spending, goals, and lifestyle, then recommends or even executes strategies that evolve as your life changes. If you get a raise or take a big expense, the AI adapts automatically, keeping your plan on track without manual effort. Picture a young investor sitting in a sunlit office, checking a dashboard on a laptop. The graphs show steady, upward lines. The AI system has just increased his allocation to clean energy stocks after detecting early momentum in the sector. He didn't need to research dozens of companies or guess what might perform well. The AI identified the trend and acted before most people noticed. That's how quiet wealth is built, through intelligent automation that moves ahead of the crowd. AI also transforms diversification. It looks beyond basic stocks and bonds to include real estate, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and even new emerging markets. By understanding how these assets interact, AI spreads risk strategically. When one market dips, it shifts toward areas of strength, keeping your portfolio balanced and resilient. Think of it as having a digital financial guardian who constantly monitors global conditions to keep your growth steady and your downside limited. Risk management is another area where AI shines. Most investors struggle because emotions get in the way: fear during downturns, greed during rallies. AI doesn't feel either. It measures volatility, tracks anomalies, and predicts instability long before it hits the headlines. If inflation rises or political tension threatens markets, the system automatically repositions your assets. Imagine checking your phone one morning to find your portfolio already adjusted for safety while others are still reacting to the news. That calm confidence is priceless. Now imagine a woman at a cafe, scrolling through her tablet as sunlight reflects off the screen. Her portfolio has quietly shifted toward inflation-resistant assets overnight. She didn't read policy statements or economic forecasts. Her AI system understood the signals and made the move. That's the everyday power of AI investing: convenience, protection, and growth, all running quietly in the background. In 2025, this technology isn't limited to experts. Students, professionals, and retirees all have access to tools once reserved for Wall Street. Clean, easy-to-use apps let anyone invest intelligently without needing to decode complex charts or economic jargon. You focus on your goals, and the AI handles the execution. It's democratizing finance, turning advanced analytics into something simple enough for everyone. Still, human wisdom remains essential. AI can process data, but it can't define your dreams or priorities. The best results come when you combine your personal vision with AI precision. You decide what matters: safety, growth, freedom, and the system makes sure every financial move aligns with that vision. It's not replacing the investor, it's empowering them to make clearer, faster, and smarter choices. The psychological benefits are just as important as the financial ones. AI-driven investing reduces anxiety and impulsive decisions. You no longer chase hype or panic during dips. Instead, you trust a process that's guided by logic and data. Transparency is another major benefit. Most platforms now explain why a trade was made, showing the reasoning behind every move. That level of clarity builds trust and teaches you how smart money truly operates. Financial advisors are also embracing AI. Instead of manually crunching numbers, they use algorithms to provide sharper advice. This lets them spend more time understanding clients' needs and less time buried in spreadsheets. The advisor becomes a strategist while AI handles the analytics. That shift is creating a new kind of partnership between technology and personal service, one that benefits everyday investors the most. On a larger scale, AI is reshaping how markets function. As more investors use data-driven tools, emotional swings that once caused massive volatility may soften. Markets could become more efficient and stable because decisions are based on evidence rather than fear. Regulators are developing frameworks to ensure AI systems are used responsibly, with transparency and fairness at their core. The result will be a safer, smarter global investment environment. AI also opens new opportunities in industries poised for growth: renewable energy, biotechnology, automation, and digital infrastructure. These systems detect shifts in consumer behavior, technological advancement, and policy long before they're obvious. By identifying trends early, AI gives investors a head start, capturing gains while assets are still undervalued. That's how long-term wealth is quietly built, not through luck, but through early awareness and consistent adaptation. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. You're reviewing your portfolio in a bright home office. Charts on the screen show steady progress, smooth curves instead of jagged spikes. You've avoided major downturns, captured solid growth, and achieved stability without constant worry. AI handled the complexity, letting you focus on what truly matters in life. Your financial confidence isn't based on guesswork anymore. It's built on intelligence, discipline, and strategy. Artificial intelligence is the most powerful financial tool of our generation. It merges everything investors dream of: accurate data, clear timing, and emotional control into a system that anyone can use. You don't have to predict the market. AI does that heavy lifting. Your job is simply to set your goals, start early, and stay consistent. The sooner you adopt this technology, the stronger your advantage becomes. AI doesn't replace the timeless rules of investing. You still need to diversify, think long-term, and avoid emotional decisions. But now, you have a partner that can process information faster, manage risks smarter, and optimize returns more efficiently than ever before. It's like upgrading from a map to GPS. You still decide the destination, but the route becomes smarter, safer, and faster. The financial world is evolving rapidly. Those who adapt now will lead this new era. Those who resist may find themselves left behind. The tools exist, the systems are proven, and the results are visible everywhere. Artificial intelligence isn't a futuristic idea anymore, as today's most practical way to invest. It's how ordinary people are turning modest investments into stable, growing portfolios without constant monitoring or stress. AI-driven investing is more than technology. It's a mindset. It represents discipline, efficiency, and the belief that data can guide better decisions. It gives you the power to invest with confidence, free from the noise and confusion that once ruled the markets. This is the path to modern wealth: smart, strategic, and data-driven. The question now isn't whether AI will transform investing, it's whether you will take advantage of it. Those who start learning and adopting these tools today will become the success stories of tomorrow. Artificial intelligence is already rewriting the rules of finance. It's time to let it rewrite your financial story to one smarter decision, one intelligent investment, and one confident step toward a future shaped by innovation.